designers working at the intersection of technical backpack design. Our packs are built for the demands of everyday carry. They're crafted with obsessive functional and aesthetic detail. We're proud to present our first ROLLTOP pack. The wprt waterproof construction and expansion capabilities make it ideal for daily use. External pockets provide quick access to smaller items, while pockets in discrete location offer more secure organization. There's also a dedicated laptop sleeve. Our proprietary laser-cut and bonded construction yields a pack that actually folds into place perfectly every time. Fold the top, and with one touch, instantly close the pack with the magnetic V-buckle. Constructed from our latest performance textile, the 800 denier micro hat, this means it's built to stay dry, even when sprayed with a 1200. wprt's back panel is designed to move independently and fit snugly around your back. It's made from the same EVA foam found in the best running shoes you drive. Our 3D shoulder straps are crafted on the other to provide users in mind. The wprt Minimal is the essential ROLLTOP. For those who need a little more versatility, the wprt Modular is compatible with our entire collection of Maglog mods. Our mods feature instantly secure magnetic hardware. Once the maglocks engage, simply close the fail-safe clasp to ensure total security. With 12 modular pouches and utility straps to choose from, you can spec out your wprt as you see it. Both backpacks are compatible with our DSLR aircraft-grade aluminum hardware. Our compression straps are great for larger items like jackets. Utility straps are great for smaller items like tripods and water bottles. Whether you're headed to city streets or halfway around the world, keeps you in performance comfort and your gear fully protected. Welcome to the Black Ember experience.
We all have different hobbies. We love to travel, we love our jobs, and we all love capturing moments in our lives. Very limited but to the one backpack for all our needs. Until now. Introducing Bagsmart, the first backpack with perfect weight distribution. For the outdoorsman. For the professionals. For the photographers. With different modules to fit your everyday need. You can configure it for any occasion. The Bagsmart backpack can fit the needs of your favorite hobbies, such as hiking, photography, and in the workplace, which is perfect to help keep you more productive and stay well organized. Which puts major strain on the back. But with the Bagsmart backpack, weight is distributed eves and back tension. With the X system, you can connect different modulars using the fidlock design by snapping them in magnetically, which is secure and difficult to remove even accidentally. It also matters where you go, including extra features that make it convenient wherever you are. The Bagsmart system is the only backpack you get yourself.
Fiets is a brand inspired by the vibe of Amsterdam. The Fiets backpack is made for biking, traveling, urban adventures, and daily commutes. It has a universal port to attach a variety of gear. It's waterproof and smart. The Fiets adaptable backpack is ready for every adventure. The patented Fiets Plus Dock makes this backpack a game changer, an innovative system to attach everything you need to your backpack. We have already developed 3 accessories: a shoe bag to carry on your wet or dirty sneakers, a rear light with 2 light modes to stay visible at night, a universal holder to attach anything else you need onto your bag, bike accessories, traveling gear, a water bottle, a speaker. We challenge you to come up with more ideas you want us to develop for your Fiets backpack. The 3 smart packing tools lets you organize however you want. Designed for weekend getaways, the clothing duffel keeps your clothes accessible and neat. The camera bag keeps your gear organized and protected when you're on the move. The toiletries bag has dry and wet compartments to hold all your daily necessities. Together, they fit perfectly. Individually, they hold millions of possibilities. The Fiets backpack is made from durable, waterproof, stain-proof, and super light material and has a velvet soft feel. The large pocket with waterproof zippers in the front is for storing wet things, so the rest of your belongings stay nice and dry. The magnetic roll-up closure ensures for a tight seal, while the magnetic buckle provides for a fast and easy closing. To free yourself from being weighed down, securely attach the backpack to your bike instead, or on the rear luggage carrier for a comfortable and unrestricted ride. Still prefer to carry the bag on your back? Use the chest buckle for a secure and tight fit to keep the bag firmly into place. The choice is yours. Carry this backpack any way you want. Use the side pocket for items you want access to. Multiple compartments with different size allows you to organize everything in place. Or any small items. There's a place for everything in the Fiets backpack. No matter how your day looks like, or how long your day is, our bag is your perfect companion. Life is a trip. Pack all you need and seek every adventure. The Fiets Versatile Backpack.
Meet Banale Backpack, the first size-shifting daily backpack that look cool and can carry big things. Whether it's your everyday essentials, your gym bag, or your next big thing, you'll move with ease, looking like this, and not like this. Banale Backpack, slim pack, big load. Banale Backpack features Italian quality and design and introduces a completely new category of bags, elegant and expandable, so you will be able to carry whatever you need for your day. Small stuff, big stuff, whatever. And while moving around with ease and looking cool. The slim design makes this bag a perfect choice for your everyday items. And when you need more space, enable the cargo mode. The expandable wrapping pocket opens up easily and safely supports your bigger items, thanks to the durable buckles and the tough webbing. Once you've arrived at your destination, just unclip the buckles and open the flap to quickly access your extra stuff. The unique size-shifting design of the Banale Backpack allows for unprecedented storage options, while enabling you to move around with ease, hands-free. But how does it work when it's normally loaded? Well, pretty much like any daily backpack, only better. The back panel is ergonomically designed to support your posture, and the buckle system serves as an anti-theft secured closure. It can fit all your usual stuff: laptop, lunchbox, and water bottle. But then again, it's a backpack. It can really hold anything. And the vibrant yellow lining keeps your backpack from becoming the inevitable black hole for pens, reports, and electronics. The Banale Backpack comes also in an exclusive Pro limited edition, designed for the most demanding urban mover. The Pro version features top-of-the-line YKK zippers, soft-touch finishes, and a detachable design that transforms the wrapping pocket into an elegant and handy tote bag. The lateral handle allows you to use it as a handbag at the next meeting. You can also attach it to your luggage for your next trip. And thanks to the rain-resistant coated material and the secret back pocket, you will not have to worry about getting caught in the rain or pickpockets. With the Banale Backpack, we wanted to design a new category of backpacks, expandable and functional, yet sophisticated and elegant. You will be able to carry everything you want while still looking cool. Plus, as an added bonus, we designed this bag in Italy, so it's sure to be the coolest backpack you'll ever own.
We are Tillac. We are a certified B Corp with a mission to develop innovative and affordable outdoor products, minimize our impact, and to give back to the environment and the outdoor community. I am Jason Fitzgibbon, and this is Octave Zangs, and we are the co-founders of Tillac. Over the last 2 years, our team's combined passion for the outdoors has driven us to dream up and create a growing line of innovative gear for people that love to get outside. Currently, thousands of our customers are enjoying our products worldwide, and in line with our mission, we've established various nonprofit partnerships to give back over 25% of our profits to date. Now, we are here on Kickstarter to ask for your help in making our biggest dream to date a reality. For years, we've been searching for the ultimate waterproof backpack, one that was affordable, aesthetically pleasing, and that not only excelled in the outdoor arena, but that could tackle day-to-day life, work, photography outings, and travel. We eventually realized that what we were looking for didn't exist, so after a year and a half of development and testing, we are proud to announce that we have created it ourselves. Introducing the Siletz dry bag and modular carry system. With 35 liters of watertight storage and a suite of complementary modular accessories, it is the most versatile waterproof backpack ever. With our focus on responsibly sourced materials and conscious manufacturing, we first started with a Bluesign certified Cordura 420D ripstop exterior and then laminated it with our completely waterproof and PVC-free Lantra TPU. Bluesign hardware is utilized throughout, and 840D Hypalon graces the high wear areas and lash tabs. A watertight and airtight tie zip grants quick and easy access to the pack's main compartment, and a weatherproof front pocket is a perfect spot to store items needed on the go. 4-way stretch bottle pockets are positioned for an easy grab, and bottle retention straps keep your bottles locked and secured. Our articulating EVA back panel, removable waist belt, and contoured shoulder straps help you carry heavy loads comfortably for hours on end. The quick-loading tapered roll-top closure provides an adjustable watertight seal that fastens securely on the top so that the sides are open and free to lash outdoor or photo accessories. And we didn't stop there. To ensure that the Siletz could effortlessly adapt to nearly every aspect of your life, we designed it to work seamlessly with our two modular accessory families, the work and travel system and the outdoor system. Inside, our low-profile Modulux hardware keeps the Siletz laptop sleeve snapped securely in place and releases it with the push of a button. The padded compartment carries up to 15-inch laptops and has 2 exterior organizer pockets for stowing items essential to your workflow. Our padded travel and photo insert offers enough space to pack for a multi-day trip, and with the interior pockets and removable dividers, it can carry either a full camera kit or a combination of clothes and camera gear. The stretch mesh front pocket is designed to be accessible from the bag's external tie zip, so you can grab your wallet, passport, or keys without having to unroll the top of the bag. The night bag offers sufficient accessible storage with a key ring and interior dividers to organize all of your travel necessities. On top of it all is enough storage left in the pack for a jacket, book, headphones, and more so that you can carry everything you need and feel confident knowing that it's protected from the elements. Long gone are the days of rushing home, thirsty and starving after your favorite outdoor activities. Our integrated cooler insert sits flush in the bottom of the Siletz, its airtight tie-zip lid providing access to up to 7 chilled bottles or cans with room for ice. And our 1-inch thick closed-cell insulation can keep it all cold for over 48 hours. The padded and ergonomic waist belt distributes heavier loads and keeps the pack stable during high-exertion activities like cycling or snowboarding. 2 stretch mesh hip pockets allow quick access to small items like a phone, GPS, or chapstick. The 25-liter wet dry bag insert is shaped to fit perfectly inside the Siletz and offers a clean and lightweight solution for carrying wet or dirty items inside your pack. The removable shoulder pouch has a strategic combination of sleeves, pockets, and D-rings so that it can carry any gear you might need at a moment's notice, and it attaches and detaches from the Siletz shoulder straps in a matter of seconds. The larger gear pouch snaps securely into the bag with our Modulux hardware so that snacks and small accessories can be carried safe and snug while you're busy having fun outside. Whether it's a work trip or a weekend getaway, hauling groceries, or running rapids, with the Siletz modular carry system, you can have one bag that does it all. And with our lifetime guarantee, you can feel confident that that one bag will last you as long as you need it. In line.
there, thanks for watching this video. Click here to watch more, and please subscribe to our channel. It's easy with the subscription button. It's down there somewhere. Don't wait for me to ask you again. Go ahead and subscribe. I promise you won't regret it.